Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to transfer money from Robinhood to your bank account in 2025 using the latest method that's quick, simple, and secure. Let's jump right into it. First, open your Robinhood app and log in. From the home screen, tap the account icon in the bottom right, then select Transfers. Now, tap on Transfer to your bank. This is where you'll move money out of Robinhood. Choose the amount you want to withdraw, then select your linked bank account. If you haven't linked one yet, you will be prompted to do so. Just follow on the screen steps and enter your bank login or routing or the account number. Once everything looks good, hit submit. Standard transfer typically takes 1 to 3 business days, but if you are eligible for instant transfers, you will get the money in the minutes. And that's it. Your cash is on the way from Robinhood to your bank. If this helped, smash the like button, drop any questions below, and subscribe so you never miss out any smart financial tips in 2025. See you in the next one.